Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a action or even an inaction pose of sorts, and we're going to do a person sitting down in a right flat on the ground with the knee up, with the hand on one knee. And as you see that this is a casual pose that we see when we are walking around the train, the stations, and people are like waiting, texting, and they're sitting on the floor with perhaps like one knee up. So we'll start with this. There's some foreshortening involved for sure in this particular pose, so I'm going to go. This is the lower part of the torso, this is the upper part of the torso. The head will be somewhere here depending on how you wish to show it. Right, so what we have here is the shoulders. So one shoulder will be right here, and depending on what you want to do with this hand, it will materialize accordingly. Other shoulders, of course, here, but then we have the hand, like right in a foreshortening. It's like right here, coming toward the knee, and it will be sitting on the knee right here. So a little foreshortening there, and the hand, and then the knee underneath right there, the shin, and oval for the foot. And depending on what you wish to do with this, you could just have the leg go like this, stretched out, oval, or you could have it bent like this and with an oval right there. So you can explore both options, I guess. I'm going to just draw something over this. So this hand is sitting right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll mean that 1, 2, 3, 4, and the thumb. So that is taken care of, and then this goes away sharply into the shoulder there in the background, and you can just do a little bit of that to express that it's going somewhere. And then of course there is the shin that is showing right in the foreground, and you could actually do different things there, but the foot will be somewhere around there, or it could be right in the front here, but this will be fine too. And then of course we have the chest right there, the midsection, and then it goes into the torso. Then it's all play for lower body if you want to go like that. You can, or if you wish to go the other way, you can do that too. You'll just have to show the foot from a different angle, from the sole part, and accordingly finish it off. And then of course the other hand, you can, usually it would be like right there going behind, but you could have it rest here, or you could have it holding something. So there's the head, and if the hand is like holding something, you will just go casually like that, let's give him a hand right there, and he's holding his trusty device, and in which case you will just turn his face toward the device and do that. So all those different options that we have here, and once again I'm going to go in and just touch upon this quickly. So we have the core shape going right there. The shoulder, and the head can tilt, it can be more to that side, but of course you'll have to change the proportions as well accordingly. So this is what we did, but then against that you can see that we also have that if you wish to bring this hand upward and hold something, you can, and you can have that trusty device right there. And the eyes, of course, the nose. Of course, when it's a device, he'll mostly have a smile unless he's arguing with somebody on social media. So that is another thing. And again, the legs, you can have them go in this direction. You just sort of show the sole in that case, and for that matter you could show the foot flat, all up to you. But there is the anatomy for the basics to have somebody sitting in that pose. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.